How to start up a MyoMap project. First section. Connect the My Home Server 1 with the rest of the plan's bus products, and then connect it also to the home Ethernet network. Power on the MyoMap system and you will see the actuator's LEDs flash briefly, and then they go off. This is the self-learning phase. The server has scanned the system and automatically put the actuators in service in such a way that they can already work with a local button. The commands are not yet initialized, then they flash until, through the app, we will not create the associations with their respective actuators. The app is already installed on the pad. We have first to connect the device on the same Ethernet network of the My Home Server 1. Choose the Wi-Fi network of the home existing router if the house is already occupied, otherwise use a portable router with battery which you should have with your work tools. In this installation phase, it is unnecessary the ADSL. To browse the web is needed only for the geolocation and the weather forecast, which are accessories to set the scenarios. We let customize them at the end user, who will have internet access. Once the device is connected to the network, run the app MyoMap. To begin, I add one gateway, and the app will show me what it has founded on the network. If it found more than one, I choose the right gateway, recognizing it from the ID printed on its label. Note that the ID label is on the front with the code for the user and hidden on the side with the code for the installer. Confirm the ID and go on choosing the access option without credentials. It will then be the homeowner to log in with his credential to interact with the MyoMap system. In this screen, in common as you enter as an installer or as an end user, a PIN access code and a system name is here required. Remember that the correct PIN is printed on the label that is on the product side. The installer label will be hidden once the server will be in the electric cabinet, while the user one will remain visible. Gave its name to the plant and entered the PIN, we are ready to enter. We enter into the system by clicking on the upper right, and the app goes to load the bus structure just scanned. These are the rooms that are created by default, but you can edit them, delete or add others. To delete a room, click on the pencil icon and follow the pop-up requests. To add a new one, press the plus and follow the screen requests. At the end, you can also customize the room's name so that they are closer to the user preference. Hit on More, bottom right, where there are the details dedicated to the installer. Here the engineer can see a lot more things of those who can see the user. At the top of the page there is the Verify system, with which you can view the list of the items that the server found on the bus. It is here where you have the possibility to change their name and check their status. Here you can recognize each bus item that is present on the system. Green properly configured, orange partially configured, gray not configured, red disappeared from scan. Still inside More, we find a list of the association, for example, the actuator control links that we have going to do through the app. In the sub-menu General Commands, there is the possibility to dedicate a button to a general light function or a blinds command. Still on the More page, we find the weather and geolocation. These options will help the customer as conditions to start the scenarios. We leave to him to set them also because it requires an internet connection. To finish the introduction, in the More page there is also the possibility to do a system reset. Before erasing all, the app asks you to enter a code to be really sure that you want to clear any previous settings. To exit, press Logout and you return back to the list of the managed systems.